Literally, you have to do this if you're having a party. Lots of friends.
Hi, I'm Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple guiltless nachos. They're a huge crowd pleaser if you're having a party, or maybe people are coming over to watch a football game, a basketball game, some kind of sports. They are delicious, or just for a movie night. They are so simple and easy to make, and I make them with plant-based meat. You could do ground turkey if you wanted. I don't really eat meat, so plant-based meat. I made the taco seasoning in advance. You can watch my video on how to make the taco seasoning on this YouTube channel. All right, so we're gonna get started. First step, because I always forget, I'm just going to coat my 9x13 baking dish with some cooking spray. Get that in there. Not that you need a lot, your chips are going in. You can pour your chips into your dish gently. Don't wanna crush your chips. You need them big and pretty for your nachos. Next, I'm gonna take the plant meat and I'm going to go ahead and just saute it in a frying pan on the stove, along with the taco seasoning. So here we go. Just break up the plant meat. Then I'm just gonna spread my taco seasoning over the plant meat. Here we go. It's a lot of taco seasoning, but this is homemade taco seasoning, so it's not really high in sodium. It has no MSG. Super easy to make your own taco seasoning. Make sure you watch that video. So next, I'm going to add some crushed tomato, just to kind of give it a little bit of moisture. Oh, it smells so good. And it doesn't take a lot of crushed tomato, as you can see. You just want to incorporate it. Really break down that veggie meat so it mimics ground beef or ground turkey. And then I'm just gonna let this simmer for 5 minutes until the liquid kind of cooks down. Now you have deliciously flavored veggie taco meat.
So the veggie taco meat is made. Now I'm just going to simply assemble my nachos. The first step is you take the black beans and you put them over your tortilla chips. Here we go. The black beans are a good source of fiber. They have protein in them. This is amazing. I love this veggie meat. Also, if you want to do just vegan nachos, you can add vegan cheese or just no cheese and just continue on with the rest of the ingredients. Literally, you have to do this if you're having a party. Lots of friends. Next, I'm going to sprinkle on some diced jalapeno peppers. Oh, yum. Adding a nice kick of spice to this. If you're vegan, at this point you can add vegan cheese, or you can add regular cheese if you're not vegan. The other option is sometimes I just don't even do any cheese and I just finish up with the rest of the stuff. But today we're gonna put the cheese on. Yummy. Oh my gosh. At this point, I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 5 minutes at 375 just to let the cheese melt. Wow, fresh out of the oven. There you go. I'm gonna put just some scallions on top. Oh, those jalapenos smell so good. Some fresh scallions on top. The amount really depends on what you like. So I'm gonna just kind of load it up. I like onions. Now I'm gonna take my Mexican salsa that I made beforehand. This recipe is also on this channel, so make sure you check that out. But I'm just gonna load it up with some beautiful fresh salsa mexicana. Now I'm gonna put some guacamole just on the top. And last but not least, I like to put a little bit of vegan plain yogurt across the top. And there you go, my guiltless nachos. I hope you try this recipe. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Happy eating.